So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand history current user. Now you want to expand software. Now you want to expand Microsoft. Now we're going to expand Windows. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows. You want to expand Windows. And now you want to expand current version. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. We're now going to expand current version. And now you want to expand Explorer. Now we're going to click on user shell folders. We're going to scroll down till we find user shell folders. Here it is. You want to click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you're on this, you just want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. We're going to call this, so you're going to go down below into the description. You're going to be seeing these two things right here. We're going to call this bracket B7BE, so this first line right here. You want to highlight this, do Ctrl-C to copy it, come back to registry editor. You want to right click on new value and then click on rename. Now you want to paste what you just copied right now. So you want to name it as this and then click on enter. Now once you've done that, for the next step, we're now going to look at the top. We're going to be having something called bracket 374DE, etc. We're now going to double click on this. Now in the validator right here, we're now going to copy and paste the second line, which will be down below in the description. It's going to be saying %userprofile%, this one right here. So you just want to copy this, come back to here, and now in this box right here, you just want to paste what you copied right now. And then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.